Sa tanan in a very hot Saturday afternoon. Attorney Dico facing off the Jaguars for the 16 under division of the Junior MCBL Season 1. This is Neil Ramos on the call. It's good to be back. We are live here at the Roadstar Gym, Basak Pardo. And we are also live through our Facebook page via Cebu Sports Live and Jack Sports. Tip-off will be coming to you right now as the first possession will go in the hands of the Jaguars. Lima. Ngobok drives. Floater for Ngobok. Too strong. Battle for the board. Rebound Jaguars. And the basket counts. And one opportunity for the Jaguars. Iba na talaga ang batang matangkad. And this is the 16 under division, and I believe this kid is already at 6 foot. Tatangkad pa to. Romano inside, drops it to Bono. Bono with a bump. Bono will finally score. And finally they got out of that slump already. Outside to Castro. Castro with a cross. Another dribbling wizardry for Castro. Inside, blocked by Bono. That's a bad shot by Undag. Even though he was wide open, he just throws it all the way as Bono lays it in for two. And finally, Jaguars right now on the double-digit mark. First frame of the second quarter, rather. Jumper doesn't go. Bono picks it up. Bono gets it to go. It's Bono with 4 points. Egosa inside, blocked by Bono. Doing it in both ends. Bono gets the rebound. Lima has it inside Bono, and Bono will score. Only Bono so far is scoring for the Jaguars right now. 31-point margin. Lima inside. Ibanez drops it off. Bono again. Back-to-back hits for Bono. Inside. Bono fakes. Nice fake by Bono over Undag, taking his time. And Bono is doing everything he can, but the teammates just can't make the bucket of their own. We're gonna give the appreciation from these kids. Bono, parang poste itong si Bono. Look at that height. Bumps against two. Osal erased Bono in the picture. Somebody give Bono, or somebody update Bono's Google Maps, because he was out. Strong move by the big boy Orsal. Bono with a fake. Bono, ang gandang bawi nitong si Bono. Great spin, great fake. And the basket for Bono. Drives, Castro swings it to Medina. Medina will miss. Bono will secure the board. Already a double-double here for Bono. 14 points, 11 rebounds. Osal saves it. Osal partially open against Bono. Osal again with a bulldozer move. It's basically Yao Ming versus Shaquille O'Neal in this one. With a turnover. Abella blocked by Bono. Foul will be called on Bono. Tinignan ba kasi ni Abella eh.